haven't gone up? Where are your friends? Yeah, where are your friends? They're in the living room. And you are in the family room because I want to record you. Yeah. This is his new cage. You still haven't touched your little... Oh, yeah. Okay, right. What's up? You scared? Oh, never mind. Okay. You scared us. Guess what? You still haven't went up there, dude, in your new little cage. You scared? What is this called? Natural spray millet. It's millet. Finches and cocktails. We can go. Love you. Do you want to come out? Yeah, you're used to having a door like right here. Now it's up there. Try to put it up there for 1 second. You want to try to go up there for one? Oh, God. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just trying to grab you. Okay. I don't want to hurt you. Okay, fine. Don't just go on the floor, dude. You know, there's not really much to do down here. You know that, right? You can swing up there and sit on that branch and eat that and play with your 2 toys. And you play with 1 toy, eat, drink, that, and rip paper. Come up here. Do you want to learn how to get out of the cage? Wait. Okay. Whoa, I need to take off my slippers. Scared, huh? Okay, wait. Let me try to get you to eat this. You eat that. Okay, fine. You need to go on that branch. Go on that branch. Yes, you have to sacrifice your fears. Well, you have to face your fears, not sacrifice. See, it's not so bad. See how nice it is? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Going back down, huh? Fine, go back down. I think you'll love the floor. Yeah, you're not used to this round thing. A bell. Let's ring that. Oh, yeah. Ring that bell. Do you want to play with that toy for us? Goodness, gosh, something's got into you. Okay, I have a feeling you're gonna live your life on the floor, not up here. Maybe I should take off a toy or two. You sacrificing your fears? Are you are you facing your fears? No, you're not. Yeah.
Skinny tree jedno igračko, mama. Možda twister, because ovo like...
Or maybe I should just take off the... Maybe... Okay, you want to go up there now? Because there's no swing. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. If I could come up there and stand with you, then I would. I would. Mama.
Mami. Možda da skinem ove dvije igračke i samo stavi Juju, možda bi on to volio.
Neću moći doći do ljudjega.
Skinit odba dvije igračke i stavit Juju tude.
Neću ba imaš Ljuju. Što skila Ljuju?
Because sve je bilo in the way. To je što možda ispravi, because svašta ima ovo.
Sad gledam seriju. Kad gledam seriju, ja pola promašim.
Gledaj onak.
Okay, I'm gonna take off. Gonna take off the toy.
Okay. So you can actually face your fears, get up on that branch, and see how it is. You might think, oh, that's too high. Yeah, I'll take off this bell of yours. Yeah, take it off.
Ah, yeah, you mad tonight?
I'm kidding. Those are small little things. Mami, koliko si... Ništa, ako ćeš se dera.
Hi. Live your life on the floor. Don't go up there. Be a little floor bird, okay? Okay, bye.